Psychology is all you. Yung inner, no? It's mastering the inner strengths or mastering our inner forces that get in the way of elevating performance. So, yan yung sinabi ni Tony Robbins. Talagang 80% psychology. What is stopping you from truly living a life by your design? 'Di ba? Yung deserve mo na buhay. What is that? So, ito naman nakuha ko from James McClendon III. Sabi niya, as I think, so I feel. As I feel, so I do. And as I do, so I have. Kung ano yung laman ng isip natin madalas, what we focus on, yung mararamdaman natin. Example, kung umaga pa lang, gi-scroll tayo sa TikTok, and ang nakikita mong mga videos, puro bad news. 'Di ba nagiging laman yun ng isip natin? Tapos, masok ka na, traffic ka konti, may motor na nag-cut sa'yo. So, dahil nanggaling ka sa mga negative news nung umaga, negative yung energy, yung laman ng isip natin, kahit hindi mo siya iniisip moment by moment, may impact na yan sa atin. Emotional contagion is real. Na-feed natin yung mind natin with that. Nadala natin, nag-drive tayo, pwedeng lumabas yung negativity na yun doon. Pagdating sa office, let's say na-late ka. So ayan na, nagtuloy-tuloy na. And then iniisip na natin, ano pa ba ang masamang mangyayari today? Murphy's Law, right? Dapat morning pala para maganda yung energy na dala-dala natin. Whatever it is, yung task na nakalatag sa'yo for the day, you don't start with the negative news. So pwedeng watch a video, listen to music that energizes you, or just be mindful sa iyong morning routine. Mindful meaning when you brush your teeth, when you take a bath, just enjoy it. Feel the water, listen to your breathing. When you're drinking your coffee, just enjoy it. Chat with your family. Enjoy the moment with your fur family. Kung ano man ang sitwasyon nyo sa bahay. So, you're feeding your mind already doon sa kung ano yung makakatulong sa'yo so that that helps you, that energizes you. Kasi yun na yung laman ng isip natin, we feel good. We feel energized. We feel motivated. Because you feel motivated, mas may gana tayong gawin kung ano ang nakalatag for the day or just for the morning muna. And then as you do so, I have. 'Di ba? Kung ano yung maa-achieve mo, kung ano yung makukuha natin. So, yan yung halaga ng 80% psychology.